Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here sharing the new releases. I'm a little late, mostly because it was Mother's Day this weekend, and it was very busy. Anyways, so let's get into all of the new releases. This month, all items in my shop are 25% off. So again, all of the information regarding the new releases and every other sticker, all 25% off. That link will be in the description below. So let's go ahead and take a look at the new releases. So the first one I kind of need to get like a backing for so that you can kind of see it because it is see-through. Oh, that's not a good idea. Okay, here's my shipping scale. It is the Pirate Gnome stencil. So we have the little pirate gnome here. We have the sword, that's what it's called, a little scroll, a pirate hat, a pirate hook, and then a little bomb. So this is just to get you some extra decoration so that you can design your own little pieces with the sticker kit. So this stencil is available in the shop. We have the functional sticker that goes along with the kits. So this is a 31-day habit tracker. It's also available as an AM/PM tracker, as a mood tracker, and as an AM/PM plus sleep tracker. So this is a nice functional circle tracker that can go with it. Then we get into the kits. So we have the bullet journal kit, which is 5 sheets for the full kit. So we have 5 sheets for the full kit, 3 sheets for the mini kit, and then all of these are available a la carte. So we have the monthly headers, the functional weekly, the decorative art. Those 3 are the mini kit with the banners and the washi. That is a full 5-page full kit. So that is the bullet journal kit. Then we have the weekly planner kit. So this is for like a vertical weekly and a pre-printed planner. It is a 3-page mini kit. Again, you can choose any sheet that you want a la carte. So we have the full boxes with some, I don't know, quarter boxes. I don't know sizing of things. Sorry in advance. This sticker is also cut. So if you want to use this as like a piece of washi or a banner, you can also do that. Just a little heads up there. So we have the full boxes with all the little gnome characters. We have the full boxes, we have the headers, and then we have an extra full box. Those are half boxes. Half boxes. An extra full box. You have some third boxes. You have some habit trackers. Things like that. And then we have the last sheet, which has the washi strips. It has some icons, the weekend banner, some glitter headers, and then this is for like if you want to track dinners or something like that. So lots of fun stuff on this 3rd sheet. So again, all 3 sheets are sold as a mini kit, or you can get them a la carte. And then we have a brand new type of kit, which is the journaling kit. So I actually use this for my June setup for my traveler's notebook. So keep an eye out on that because I'll show you how I use these. But it is a 2-page kit, or you can get it again a la carte. So we have some weeklies, some arrows, some boxes, some different types of like this is meant to be more of a like something to go with a memory keeping kit. And then we have some extra decorative art here, and then some more little extra bits and pieces to put together some sort of memory keeping kit. It's very, very popular in the planner community right now, so I thought I would give it a try. So that is the 2-page kit that I came up with for the journaling kit. And again, you can get this and then pair it with any one of these sheets, because you can get any of these sheets a la carte. So if you wanted the journaling kit, but also the washi stickers, you can pair those together. Or if you wanted to do that, but you also wanted glitter headers, you can go ahead and pair those together. So there's lots of mixing and matching that you can do when it is all the same art from yours truly. So that is the Pirate Gnome kit available. And then I am releasing 2 kits now per month. So we have the Dad Day Golf kit. So this, the reason I came up with this is because my boyfriend does love golf. So I don't know, I was inspired because we have been going to the driving range and things like that. So I made a little Dad Day golf kit, knowing that Father's Day is next month for those in the US. I'm not sure if it's different for other locations. But yeah, so I came up with this kit. So it's the same situation. Mini kit is 3 pages, full kit is 5 pages, or you can get any single one of them a la carte. So we have the headers for the bullet journal kit. We have the decorative art with a quote here for the bullet journal kit. We have the functional weekly. We have the banners and then the mini little washi strips. And then we have the washi strips. Don't mind this. I cut it wrong. So then we have the washi strips. So that is the 5-page kit, or available a la carte. And then we have the 3-page weekly mini kit. So we have the full boxes with some little header pieces right here. We have the half boxes, an extra full box, the weekly habit trackers, and then the headers here. And then we have the washi strips and then the glitter headers. And I redesigned the icon sheet for this one. So this type of icon sheet is going to be going forward. And then all of that stuff. So that is the weekly planner kit. I did not do a journaling kit for this one. So, you know, it happens. Then we have the jewels sheet. So this is kind of meant to go with the Pirate Gnome kit, but I included it as a separate sheet for my patrons. So these little jewel sheets are sold separately. And then we have the script sampler sheet. So this is available with a white background and black font, with a craft background and black font, and as a black background with white font. So this is a new script sampler. So we have this as the craft paper stickers to go with craft notebooks. Hi, Max. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Okay. Say hello. Okay, Max isn't happy. Anyways, those are all of the items that got added this month to my website. I am no longer selling on Etsy at all. Their practices are abhorrent. So that's all I got to say about that. I will not be supporting Etsy. I will be supporting shops on Etsy for those that cannot do their own standalone shops. But I will not be supporting Etsy. So anyways, so those are all of these stickers. Thank you so much for joining me. Sorry this is a little late. Definitely check out my stories if you want to support some of my affiliates. But the whole shop is 25% off. So I hope that something, I don't know, tickles your fancy. So thank you all so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.